Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today's video is going to put a little bit of a spanner in the works for you. You guys know that this channel was set up mainly for making money, side hustles, investing, that type of stuff. But one day I was sat at my desk and I was thinking, what am I actually really passionate about other than money? And the one thing that I am really passionate about is cars. Now I'm not a mechanic. I don't have any experience whatsoever in doing anything other than filling up a car with petrol or diesel and probably pumping up a tyre, filling a washer fluid, if that counts. So with me having a lack of experience in mechanical sort of side of cars, I thought it'd be really interesting to sort of make a new series on this channel to do with buying an old car, sort of diagnosing everything that's wrong with it and bringing you along with me of trying to sort of learn how to service a car, repair a car that's sort of like got electrical problems or cosmetic damage or anything like that. We're trying to rebuild things and bring it back to life. And I suppose, to be fair, there's so many people that already do that sort of thing on YouTube, so to be fair, there is a lot of content that you could watch. However, a lot of people, those people that are doing it already on YouTube, already have an idea of what they're doing, whereas I will not have a clue what I'm doing, so I'm literally going to be learning, sort of just having a go at things and just seeing if it works. Now, for all those mechanics out there and people who are like working on cars on a daily basis, you are going to get aggravated by this channel. There's no two ways about it because I don't have a clue what I'm doing, so it's going to be interesting to see if I can actually learn and sort of fault find with these problems. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting on with the series and the car that I've actually bought to work on as a project and learn about how a car works. You are going to find out around about now. Quickly, before I reveal the car, I wonder if anyone can guess what car it is. It's a 2.4 litre diesel engine, an estate car, and it was made in Sweden. So here she is, guys, the absolute beast. 2.4 litre diesel Volvo V70 Estate Sports Edition. It's a beautiful car. Lol. I think it's going to be a cracking little car to work on. It's got 167,000 miles on the clock. There's a hell of a lot of things wrong with it, but these cars are notorious for basically living forever, and 167,000 miles is basically baby mileage for this thing. It's barely even sort of worn in, should I say, because these things can last up to like 350,000 miles, 400,000 miles if they're properly maintained, which is mad. But yeah, guys, there is a lot of things wrong with this car. I'm not going to go over everything in today's video. This is just sort of an introduction into the car, but yeah, stay tuned for the next video, guys, because I'm going to go through everything that's wrong with this car and sort of what we can do to try and fix it and see if we can fix any problems.